and welcome to today's video. It is day 13 of Saving Money, Saving the Sushi Roll Challenge. I did already film and I rambled on and on, you know, in a meaningless way. So I'm filming again. So I've already rolled and it was a 3. I rolled a 3. £3 has gone in for day 13. This is the 3rd time I'm filming. I might do the other one as a blooper because it was pretty hilarious. Right, let's get to our money saving idea. And it is kind of related to yesterday's one about clothes, but it is to declutter. Declutter your possessions. Take a look. What have you got? Do you need it? Does it still bring you joy? Is it still of use to you? Do you have more than one of a thing and you don't really need them all? Do you have a really old one and actually there's a new one lurking in the cupboard that you forgot that you'd bought because it's shoved in the back of the cupboard? And instead of having to buy another new one, you realise, oh, there already is a new one. I did a very big declutter of my whole house in 2019, and since then I do small declutters quite often, and it really changed the way I view things. So a lot of things I just view them as clutter now, and I don't need to purchase them because I don't have a use for them or a need. They don't bring me joy and I don't need them. So it changed my shopping habits for sure, doing a declutter. It can make you feel aware of what you actually own already, and you can organize it in a more useful way to you by putting like things together and storing them in a place that makes sense in your home. So I think it just can help you avoid buying unneeded things, because either you realize you just don't want all those extra things in your home, or you've already got something that can do the job, or a duplicate. I hope that makes sense. It can also free up space in your mind because you're not stressed out about your environment. It can free up space in your mind to take on other things. So for me, I got rid of a lot of stuff, like maybe 60% of my stuff. I did it really like intensely over a summer holidays. I did it for 5 or 6 weeks, day after day. I read The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Kondo, which is very good. If you're interested in decluttering, I would check out that book. Jerry, move. Alright, take care, have a great day. Sorry the video was a bit all over the place. Bye.